Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this delicious beef dirty rice right here. So let's get started. So for a start, you're going to place your saucepan on heat, going with your washed rice. Then you're going to go in with your chopped onions, your meat stock, your seasoning cube and salt. Then you're going to add a quantity of water that is needed to cook the rice. Stir and cover that up, then allow to cook. When it is ready, it's going to come out looking one like this. Then you're going to set it outside. In another pan, go in with your vegetable oil, your chopped onions, allow that to saute for about 20 seconds. Then go in with your minced beef. Go in with about 1 teaspoon of your garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of your soya pepper, then 1 tablespoon of your paprika. Then you're going to go in with your chili flakes, 1 teaspoon also. Mix that up and go in with about 1 tablespoon of your Scotch bonnet pepper, but it's optional. Mix that up, allow that to fry for like 1 minute. Go in with your seasoning cube and salt. Mix that up also. Then you're going to allow that to fry for like 2 minutes. They're going to go in with your tomato, which is your fresh tomato, and your bell peppers. So I'm using green and red for this. So immediately add your green and red bell pepper and your tomato. You just need to stir that up properly. Go in with your cabbage. So I'm using purple cabbage for this, but you can improvise by using your white cabbage if you don't have purple cabbage around. Then you're going to mix that up. Cover and allow that to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then after 3 to 4 minutes, you're going to come back. Add in your rice, which is your cooked rice. Then you're going to mix everything together to incorporate into the rice properly. Like, guys, are you seeing how the rice is looking already? So after stirring everything, lower your heat into a medium heat. Then you're going to allow that rice to fry properly for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, guys, your beef dirty rice is ready. Like, guys, this was good looking, it was yummy, it was sweet. Like, this recipe is a must try recipe, and I really want you guys to try this recipe out and also get back to me in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to share this video